Thinking seriously about the practical approach to mobilizing to curb insecurity, I'll share experience with you when I was state director in Bauchi. Most of you will remember an incident in Azari. A group of terrorists, the Boko Haram, then had invaded Azari. They were shooting in an attempt to kidnap, and the community chased them. They killed some members of the community, but the community members killed all of them. The last guy, Khalid, climbed onto a tree and was firing. The community stood, they were resilient, and they killed Khalid. Since that day, there has not been one terrorist attack in Azari. As a matter of fact, the former head of state, General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida, said, and I quote, "If we want to stop or curb this terrorism, we shall emulate the Azari example."
Security alert in Cross River State is becoming very, very alarming in the state. From my inspection, from my tour and movement, the numbers of Fulanis settling in Yala, local government area of Cross River State, is extreme. The numbers of Fulanis settling in Bekwara are too much. The numbers of Fulanis in Ogoja local government are excess. The numbers of Fulanis in Bekwara are too much. The ones in Obudu are too much. The one in Obanliku are too much. The one in Obubura, Ikom, Boki, and then taking it to Udupani, Akankpa, goes down to Calabar municipality, go down to Akpabio and Bakassi. The Fulanis that are coming into the state are too much, and we have to raise the security alarm for every community, every resident, every youth, every elders. Take your position. Everybody get ready, because the fire is close. It is very, very close. If you don't say no to this movement, now, you will see them take off from Benue, pass through Bekwara. They will come through Bekwara, through Ogoja, pass through Army. They will pass in front of Army Barrack in Ogoja, in between Ogoja and Yala. They will pass through in front of Army Barrack, pass through there, go through bypass, Okuku bypass, box out in Merino. From Merino, they will turn to Krute and pass straight through Okpoma to Abakaliki. They are going like that. Nobody know. The reason I'm making this video in English, so that the Okele person will know, so that the Ache persons will hear, so that the Egede will hear, the Yala people will hear, so that the Obudu persons, the Bekwara person, the Obanliku, the Yala, the Ogoja, the Obudu, the Abi, the Akampa, the Ikom, and all of the Boki, let all of us come out. Cross River State, so many that are camping in most of those local government, they are entering through mining. They say they are coming for mining, that they want to come and mine. I don't know what they are mining. I am drawing my ear, and I am telling the people of Cross River State, I will copy this video and keep, and remind us when it is time. When the Wahala will start, I will remind all of us. I told us that we should take caution, we should take our stand, and make sure we say no to this movement. One, the Fulani, some of the Fulani that we interviewed one time, said they cannot settle in any community without paying the chiefs, without paying the youth, without settling with the government. Now, if we are giving them this opportunity to settle, if two Fulani enter community, within 2 years, they will become close 300, 400. And one thing I know, we don't have any fighting tools that we can use to fight. If the whole Nigeria cannot fight Fulani, is it Cross River State? First of all, we no get money, we no get power, we no get anything. So the only way to avoid these people is to say no to their agreement, to their contract, to their money when they bring. So they want to give you cow, you that chief, you that youth that is collecting and allowing them to stay. In no time, these ones that are passing, as they are passing through Ogoja Road, going to Ebonyi State, going to East, going to Enugu, going to other states. Did you know the one that are stopping by? The ones that are entering Ukele Forest, the ones that are entering Yala Forest, the ones that are entering Gabu Forest and Igede Forest, the ones that are entering Bekwara Forest. As we are camping them, if you come to Biase, if you come to Ekom, Ofutop, and all of those places. The numbers of Fulani that are on ground in the forest already, there are too many that even if they start today, we can't stop them. Cross River, Cross Riverians, the youth of Cross River State, the governor of Cross River State, senators representing these three senatorial districts, North, Central, and South, senators, House of Reps, make una stand up because the wahala don't they start. The wahala don't they start. Don't say I no talker. They are coming inside the state every now and then. Trucks are passing in all the checking point, and no checking point is stopping them. The immigrations are there, the customs are there, and soldiers, police, and everybody that are in the border. Nobody is interested to even ask. Those trucks that are passing, what are they carrying inside? Is it bomb? Is it gun? Is it a bullet? What are they carrying inside? You see a truck, a very long truck full of Fulanis inside, and soldier will stop them in the checking point and clear them to pass. They'll bring small paper, clearing pass. They'll clear them. They'll give small money. Una clear them. Then they pass. The fire is coming close. Some road, Calabar South, expect us. The picture, and we even post it on this video. Calabar, Cross River State, expect us. They are coming in one after the other, small, and they are building momentum. This is security alert in Cross River State, not just Cross River Central, North or South. No, the entire Cross River State. Let us wake up. If we don't wake up, the youth, you are allowing these people to settle in the community. You can't say you don't know. They can't settle without your permission. The elders, the chiefs, when the fire go start, I go remind us this video. Well, youth, brothers and sisters, you they see this video, you like Cross River State, share this video. This is security alert. I am telling you what is happening live in Cross River North, what is happening live in Cross River Central, and they are pushing to the south. They will soon attack us. When they start, it go feel reach your mama, it go reach your papa, it go reach your brother, it go reach your sister, it go reach your children. That time, you go know say, to click on share button, make Cross Riverians all over the world see this video. You go know say no, they costly. Now that time, you go know say, okay, the thing does start. I don't wish us any evil. I wish us to stand strong and be a better state, peaceful state, so that we can stay. You don't see say politicians don't even send. In all of those security crises, politicians, governors, no, they even say anything about security crisis. Waiting concern them. If it too much, they jackpot. Even chief, where they there? The chief, where they collect small bribe from Fulani. Now was because now know they go anywhere. They go kaput to our children. They go pie all of our children for inside on our community. When the matter go start, chiefs, make una stand strong. When the matter go start, youth, more than stand strong. When the matter go start, political leaders, more than stand strong. Mama and papa, pikin, children, anywhere where you dey, anywhere where you see Fulani, raise alarm, make we say no to them. Because if their matter start, you know they finish. Oh, good morning. Now the security alert this morning for Cross River State. We reach us. Now be that. They are passing through soldiers. They are passing through that Okuku straight. They are passing through Yala. They are passing through Ogoja, Bekwara. They are coming through Benue, Bekwara. Come through Ogoja, from Ogoja to Yala. From Yala, they are passing bypass for Okuku. They take that bypass straight to Okpoma Road. From Okpoma, they are going. But as they are passing, is there anybody checking where they are camping, where they are offloading themselves, as they are dropping themselves, bus stop to bus stop? Anybody they ask? If we know ask, when the fire go start, Cross River State, make you no blame God. Say God, no, they answer prayer. Heaven help those who help themselves. Good morning.
We must demolish this country and install Sharia law. Whether Nigeria government wants it or not, we have not even started yet. We are waiting patiently, calculating the next step Nigeria government is going to take. Nigeria government knows that the military capacity is very weak to challenge us. They can't even stand us in the slightest battlefield. They lack strength and courage. We have been operating since what did they do? We have been marginalized in this country for decades. It's time to take what that belongs to us. We must take charge and continue to operate. We Fulani people are ready to fight until the end. Our sponsors are also the politicians who criticize us in public and cooperate with us in private. There's no two ways about it. It's either Sharia law or revolution in this country. Nobody's going to challenge our decision, and that's the final thank you.
Their bushes. You don't have to wait for your people to be killed, for your community to be attacked before you think of what to do, or before you begin to call on the government to protect you. This has proven that the government will not protect you, so the people need to protect themselves. Action like this are commendable. Please do well to share this video for many communities to learn from the action of Sunday Igboho and his team, so that they too can learn how to protect their forest, their farmlands, their bushes, and also prevent attack from happening to their people like it is currently happening in the north. Please like this video, comment your opinion, share the video for many people to see it. Make it go viral. Thank you very much.
Tafawa Balewa also happened to be a local government in Bauchi that was always in flames. And the people of Bogoro and some part of Tafawa Balewa, where the Sayawas are, rose up on one occasion. They knew their terrain better, climbed onto trees and mountains. When the invaders came, they did not only repel them, they seized their weapons. And since then, you can attest to it that you hardly hear about Tafawa Balewa again. What I'm trying to say, the practical approach to mobilizing people, is that you have to get everyone involved. You do not expect the Nigerian Army, police, DSS, to protect every Nigerian or every community. It is not going to work. So as we live here, we all belong to one community or the other. What we have to start experimenting is how we can make the community to prepare first, if the first line of defense for us. What is our own culture? Our culture is communal. We do things together, festival together, ceremonies together, wedding ceremony, whatever. So why can't we fight some miscreants, some charlatans among us together? The community should say, you cannot come here. This is what Tafawa Balewa has done. If you go to that community to attack them, you'll be sorry for yourself. I challenge anybody to try it. And this is the way we have to do. We have to allow some level of armament for the communities, and they can serve as the first line of defense. But what I'm saying, the way to do it is when we live here, those of us who have some influence, the elites in society, discuss with your communities, come to us, get some sort of approval and guidance, and then we can stop these criminals. You can imagine you call sector, let's say sector 4 or whatever, sector of the army, to come to this community if there's an attack. Before they even arrive there, if they attack another community, what happens? Is that we should not make this another talk show. And that's why this is my intervention. That security starts from you. There's nothing that is new. 1870 something, I can't remember. The French Revolution, in the street of Paris, they were beheading people. We've had hijack of plane. We'll forget quickly. We've had the wet ear syndrome. We had so many. There's no Matasini and whatever. There will always be security problem. So when I hear people say this is security in Nigeria, as long as human beings exist, there will be security problem. The issue is the response. We have to take that mentality away. What is the security agencies doing? Who, apart from a tree, knows that they want to come and cut him and remain standing? Only a tree. We have to get the communities to rise and defend themselves first. And the time to start it is now. When you move out from here, I do that every day. I come from a village in Ijebu land, Ogun State, and I talk to my people. I know the level of armament they are entitled to. I know how they organize themselves in quarters. We have 4 quarters. I am using my expertise to guide them. You cannot wait for the military to come and do everything.